Today you will learn about 5 seasonings that can be used as natural medicines. Isn't it good when cooking becomes something pleasing and easy to do? Today you will learn how to make a simple, natural, homemade seasoning to make your food even healthier and tastier. The ingredients are anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antiviral, and antioxidant, besides helping with weight loss. Did you know that? Are you curious to see what ingredients we are talking about? We are talking about black pepper, garlic, onion, turmeric, and ginger. With our fast-paced lives, many people search for natural seasonings to make their meals healthier. Did you know that you can make your own homemade seasoning? Using this homemade seasoning with natural herbs and spices will also reduce your salt intake, which adds even more benefits to your health. Are you enjoying the video? Leave a comment to let us know if we are contributing to inform you. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Write down the ingredients: 2 white onions, 8 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons turmeric, 2 tablespoons ginger, black pepper to taste. Directions: combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until it becomes a paste. Transfer to an airtight container, plastic or glass. This seasoning can be kept in the fridge for 5 days, or you can freeze it for up to a month. Easy and tasty, isn't it? Try it and share your opinion with us.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.